Keep an eye out. Understanding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, keep an eye out. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, conversations, or even in books. But what does it actually mean? Stick with us as we explore the usage, meaning, and the nuances of this colorful expression. The phrase, keep an eye out, is an idiomatic expression. To keep an eye out for something or someone means to watch carefully for it or them, especially because you expect it or them to appear or happen. Think of it as being on alert or being watchful for a particular thing or event. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us remember their meanings. The phrase, keep an eye out, likely comes from the need to be vigilant or watchful, possibly from times when watching out for danger or important signals was a part of everyday life. The eye, in this case, symbolizes attention and vigilance. Using keep an eye out in conversation is quite simple. It's often used when asking someone to be watchful or when promising to be watchful oneself. For example, can you keep an eye out for the delivery van? It should arrive any minute. I'll keep an eye out for any job openings that might suit your profile. It's versatile and can be used in various contexts, whether personal, professional, or somewhere in between. Let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. Keep an eye out for any emails from the university. They might send important updates. 2. During the hike, keep an eye out for any unusual birds. This area is known for its rare species. 3. She kept an eye out for her friend in the crowded market. Notice how in each instance, the phrase indicates an alertness or readiness to notice something. And that's a wrap on the phrase, keep an eye out. It's a handy expression to convey vigilance or attentiveness towards something. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your daily conversations. Keep an eye out for more videos like this, and happy learning!